Hey traders. Verasity has surged 136% in the past 24 hours, massively outperforming a flat crypto market. The main driver is a huge spike in trading activity, with volume jumping over 660% to $2.19 million. This signals a major liquidity event and heightened investor interest. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice. Verasity trading signals are in. Solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments.